It looks like Molly is asleep for the night, but there's another little ram's horn right there. It's Sunday night now. I discovered Friday that I could finally go live, so I've gone live a few times over the weekend, and I'm going to try to come up with a schedule so that I go live like, I don't know, 2 or 3 times a week at the same time. I'm really happy that my water is all cleared up and things seem to be stabilized with my tank. I have a story to tell from earlier today. I just walked in here. I've had a really busy weekend. I walked in here, I saw Molly right on the filter, and I got so scared. I just ran to the power strip that it's on and turned it off, because I found a few snails, like after they're already dead, like they get sucked to it. But she wasn't, like, anyway, I turned the whole power strip off, and she was fine. She just kind of crawled around on it, and once she was up higher on it, I turned the power strip back on, and I realized the filter wasn't turning back on. And I wondered, maybe it was not on in the first place. And was she like trying to investigate? Like, I don't know how smart snails are. Like, one of the live streams, I came in here and I just like randomly was talking about, I'm not sure how smart snails are, but Dyson seemed pretty smart. And then today that happened with Molly. And so now I'm thinking maybe they're smart-ish. I'm kind of concentrating on the ram's horn snails that are getting bigger. I'm going to try to identify those as they get bigger and maybe name the next one I can tell apart. Other than that, all the snails are kind of blending together. Nobody is standing out yet. So for now, I just have Molly as far as anybody with a name.